Welcome to Mag 21 in this new course where we are going to model an object with classic shapes with a very powerful tool called PolyDetail. PolyDetail is a modeling tool that references shapes or geometries. In the course we will see how to use all its functions and how you can also increase the libraries. Because here, for example, there are additional elements that I have installed and we will see together. So at the beginning, as always, we will understand how to paint, where you can paint, how to manage mapping coordinates, etc. And in the end we are going to model objects of this type that are not very easy with the tools of 3ds Max. At the end we will make renderings. There are clearly several exercise files in this course such as symmetry management. And so I'm going to show you how to handle symmetries, twist angles, and all the other things. And how to create, for example, objects like the one we see now represented within the final scene. Which is our target. Our work target therefore is to make two versions. A wooden version of this table, a version also with brass decorative tools that we see represented in a more lively purple, that is this. Let's see some images. An image file. We will have 6 2000, 20 and 2000, 17 exercise files. Renderings generated directly within Mirai. Next, we will work in GPU. This is our first render. Quite pleasant. With the version only in wood, and then we will have the brass version. We are going to study the settings of the scene. How it was built. How these types of materials were obviously applied. We will work on two main rooms, which are for example room 1 and room 2. Bedroom 2 has a slightly more aerial view, here it is. And this one is also quite peculiar. So I'm waiting for you for this course. I also remind you that students have access to promotions for these plugins. Being in contact with the author of the plugin, and within the course you will find the instructions to ask for promotions, obviously reserved for students of the course. So let's start with a bit of detail.